Welcome to this Apploye tutorial. Today, we'll show you how to add manual time entries in the Apploye timesheet. First, click on Timesheets from the left panel and select Daily. Click on the plus Add Manual Time button in the top right corner. Fill in the required fields, including the time frame and reason for the entry. Once you've entered the details, click Submit. It will sync with the app momentarily. Remember, you can't add overlapping or future times. You've successfully added a manual time entry. If you need help, contact Apploye Support.